Neolith countertop fabrication is fast and easy. All it takes is regular marble and granite shop tools. Neolith slabs may be processed by regular bridge saws and cutting tables, as well as state-of-the-art water jet and CNC equipment. Porcelain continuous rim diamond blade is required when cutting with bridge saws, cutting tables, and manual machines. CNC machining will require profiled wheels, finger and corbets, and gauge wheels for porcelain. High-quality polyester resin is recommended for interior applications bonding. Neolith by the Size has developed solda piedra with excellent test and work results. Exterior applications will require high-performance epoxy resin. Tenex glass is our recommended product. The Size recommends wet cutting, although it may also be dry cut with regular marble and granite hand tools. The use of the safety systems regarding dust collectors is necessary when dry cutting. A pressure of around 3,500 bars is necessary to perform water jet cutting. For CNC cutting, the machine must be adjusted to 4,500 revolutions per minute. Cut-to-size slabs and countertops to be firmly set on suction pads. Cut-out pieces to be fully supported by suction pads. The Size recommends drilling prep holes at every inside corner before cutting L-shaped countertops. This prep relieves pressure from angle cutting that may lead to creating weak points on the slab. Neolith may be handled either by the use of suction pads or, if performed manually, always in a vertical position. Neolith requires a perfectly flat and straight working bench surface, as it will flex due to surface unevenness. As with other materials, a miter cut can be performed with any kind of machine. A porcelain continuous rim blade allows a clean and smooth cut. Neolith does not require a straight pre-cut, being possible to directly miter cut. In order to unite side panels to the miter, fixing brackets must be used for 45-degree angles to fit perfectly and to ensure the gluing is uniform and fault-free. High-density polyurethane strips can be used as the reinforcement for worktop, PVC drywall, corner bead, or fiberglass backing, preventing excess weight issues. Strips of other products, such as granite or compact quartz, common for other countertop surfaces, can also serve as reinforcement. The structure must be properly reinforced for a correct placement of the countertop on the kitchen furniture. Adequate reinforcement is performed by means of placing strips throughout the perimeter and transversally, making them match the furniture modules themselves. The correct reinforcement of the gaps for both the sink and the cooktop is of particular importance. Neolith can be wet or dry polish with a regular carbide sandpaper. Depending on the level of finish to be reached, the order and grit size of the sandpaper in the case of dry polishing, will be 60, 120, 220 and 400 for polished edges, and 60, 120 and 220 for honed edges. When performed with water, the same result can be achieved with a maximum sandpaper of 200 for polishing and 100 for honed finish. As described at inside corner details and L-shaped countertops, preparation core drills to be performed before sink and cooktop cutouts are performed. Inside straight angles must be avoided due to the weak point created at angle's vertex. Once every corner has been pre-drilled, stress is released from angle and safe to straight cut. Size recommends that large gaps, like those for vitroceramic cooktops, be performed on-site.